Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us today.
If you're new here, please click that subscribe button and like this video. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. We're here to help you practice English with real conversations.
If you like learning with us, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. It helps us a lot.
Yes, thank you. So, what are we talking about today, Emma?
Today, we are going to learn how to talk about tomorrow. Simple plans, what you will do.
Perfect. Talking about the future. Not next year, just tomorrow. Let's get started.
So, Jack, how are you today?
I'm very happy today. The sun is shining.
Me too. What did you do this weekend? Was it fun?
On Saturday, I cleaned my apartment. It was very boring.
Oh, no.
But on Sunday, I watched a football game with my brother. That was fun.
That sounds much better. I visited my parents on Sunday. We had a big dinner.
Nice. I love your mom's cooking.
She loves cooking for you. You should visit soon.
Tomorrow?
Maybe not tomorrow, but soon. So, talking about tomorrow, it's useful, right? We make plans all the time.
We do. So let's start simple. Emma, what is the first thing you are going to do tomorrow?
Okay, the very first thing, I am going to open my eyes.
Very funny. After you open your eyes.
I am going to turn off my alarm clock. I have an alarm at 7 o'clock.
Every day?
Almost every day. On weekends, no alarm, but tomorrow is Tuesday, so alarm at 7. Then I will get out of bed.
I will get out of bed. Good. I will probably stay in bed for 5 more minutes.
Of course you will. Then I am going to go to the bathroom. I will wash my face with cold water. It helps me wake up.
I need coffee to wake up. My first thought is always coffee.
Mine too. After I wash my face, I am going to go to the kitchen. I will make a cup of coffee.
What kind of coffee?
Just black coffee. Simple. What about you? What is your morning routine tomorrow?
Well, my alarm is later, at 8. I will turn it off like you. Then I'm going to check my phone.
Right away?
Yes, it's a bad habit. I will check the weather first. What is tomorrow's weather?
I think it will be sunny, but maybe a little cold in the morning.
Okay. If it is cold, I am going to wear my blue sweater. After I check the weather, I will get up. I am going to make breakfast.
What will you make?
I think I will make eggs and toast. I'm going to make 2 eggs, and I will drink orange juice, not coffee.
No coffee? You are strange.
I know, but I like juice in the morning. So, after breakfast, you go to work. How do you get to work?
I am going to take the bus. The bus comes at 8:15. I will walk to the bus stop at 8 o'clock.
And your meeting is at 10, so you have time.
Yes, I will arrive at work at about 8:45. Before the meeting, I'm going to prepare my papers. I will check my notes.
You said you were nervous. Don't be. You will do well.
Thank you. I will try. So that is my morning. Work starts. Your turn. After breakfast, then what?
After I eat, I am going to wash my dishes. Then I will get dressed for the gym.
What will you wear to the gym?
I am going to wear my old gray t-shirt and black shorts and my running shoes. Then I will drive to the gym. It's not far.
How long will you stay at the gym?
I am going to stay for about an hour, maybe a little more. First, I will run on the treadmill for 20 minutes.
Running is good.
Then I will do some exercises with weights, not heavy weights, light weights.
And after the gym?
After the gym, I will come home. I am going to take a shower, a quick shower. Then I have to start work. I work from home tomorrow, remember?
Right. So you will start work at 10 o'clock?
Yes, at 10. I will sit at my desk and open my computer. First, I am going to check my emails. I will have many emails, I'm sure.
And you will answer them.
Yes, I am going to answer all the important emails. It will take a long time, maybe all morning.
Okay, let's go back to me. My meeting is at 10. It will finish at 11:30, I think.
That's a long meeting.
I know. After the meeting, I'm going to go back to my desk. I will need more coffee then.
Of course.
Then I will start writing my report. It is a report about the meeting. I am going to write it on my computer.
Will you write it in English?
Yes, always in English for work. It's good practice for me too. I will write it slowly and carefully.
And then lunch with Anna.
Yes, at 1 o'clock. I'm going to meet Anna at the cafe. We will talk about work and maybe about life.
What will you talk about?
We will probably talk about the weekend. Anna is going to travel next weekend. She will visit her sister.
Nice. What will you order at the cafe?
I think I am going to order tomato soup and a sandwich. Their soup is very good. And you? Lunch at home?
Yes, I will make lunch at home. Probably a simple lunch. Maybe I'm going to make a salad. Or I will eat the rest of my breakfast eggs.
Exciting!
Very exciting. After lunch, I have more work. In the afternoon, I am going to have a video call with my team
At what time?
at 2:30. We will talk about our project. I will share my screen and show some numbers.
And after your call?
After the call, I will probably feel tired, so I'm going to make a cup of tea, green tea. Then, back to emails.
My afternoon is similar. After lunch, I will finish my report. I'm going to send it to my boss at about 3 o'clock.
And then you will call a client.
Right, at 3:30. I'm going to call Mr. Clark. We will talk about a new order. I hope it is a short call.
I hope so too. Then your work finishes at 5:30.
Yes, at 5:30, I'm going to turn off my computer. I will say goodbye to my colleagues. Then I will take the bus home.
What time will you arrive home?
Probably at 6:15. And you finish work at 5?
Yes, at 5 o'clock I am going to close my computer. Finished. Then I will relax. But first, I need to go to the supermarket.
Oh, why?
I need to buy juice for dinner, remember? I'm going to buy orange juice. And maybe I'll buy some bread too.
Good. So you will come to my apartment after the supermarket.
Yes, I will drive to your apartment. I am going to arrive at maybe 6:45. Is that okay?
Perfect. I will be home at 6:15. So I am going to start cooking at 6:30. I will cook the pasta, and I'm going to make a simple sauce
With tomatoes?
with tomatoes and garlic. It will be ready when you arrive.
Amazing. I am going to bring the juice, and I will also bring some chocolate for dessert.
Even better. So we will eat dinner at about 7 o'clock.
After dinner, I will help you wash the dishes. I promised.
Yes, you did. Then after the dishes, you will go home.
Probably. I'm going to go home at about 8:30. Then I will call my friend Tom for his birthday.
That will be a nice call, and I will watch TV.
And then sleep, because Wednesday is another day.
Exactly. So that is our tomorrow. It's a very normal day, but it's good to talk about it.
It is. And we used will and going to many, many times.
Let's try to use some different words, too. For example, sometimes our plans are not 100% sure.
Yes, we can say I might. It means maybe. It's possible.
Right. So I might go to the supermarket after work tomorrow. I need milk, but I'm not sure.
And I might watch a movie after I call Tom, if I am not too tired.
We can also say I'm thinking of, which means I am considering it. I'm planning it in my head.
I'm thinking of going to the park on Saturday, but it depends on the weather.
Good. So plans can change. That's normal.
Let's make a small change to our tomorrow for fun. Emma, imagine after work you are too tired to cook.
Oh, okay. If I am too tired to cook, I am not going to cook pasta.
What will you do?
I might order food. I will order pizza. And you will still come to my apartment.
I like that change. I will still bring juice and chocolate.
Perfect. So plans can be flexible.
Exactly. Now let's ask each other more questions about tomorrow. Emma, tomorrow evening, after I go home, what are you going to do before sleep?
Let's see. After you go home, I am going to tidy the living room. Then I will brush my teeth. I'm going to read my book for maybe 20 minutes. Then I will turn off the light and sleep.
A very good routine. My turn. Tomorrow night, after I call Tom, what am I going to do? I will probably watch some videos on my phone. Then I will read, like you, but I am going to read the news online.
And then sleep?
And then sleep. So we have our whole day, from morning to night.
Yes. And viewers, now it's your turn to think about your tomorrow. You can say it in your head. Tomorrow I will, or tomorrow I am going to.
Start with the morning and go to the night. It's great practice. And remember, you can say maybe or I might if you are not sure.
Talking about the future is easy when you talk about tomorrow. It's close and simple.
And if you make a mistake, it's okay. We make mistakes too. The important thing is to try.
So, think about your tomorrow. What is your plan?
You know, Emma, we've been using some really important words and phrases about the future. Maybe we should stop and look at them closely, like putting them under a microscope.
A vocabulary microscope? I like that idea. It will help our friends remember. Let's start with the biggest one, will. We used it 100 times.
Right, will. It's short, it's simple. We use it to talk about the future. For example, I will drink coffee. It's a fact about tomorrow. It's also for quick decisions you make now. Emma, what will you do if you see Milo sleeping on your blue dress?
Oh no, I will move him very carefully, and I will then hang the dress up so he can't sleep on it.
Perfect. A quick decision. Now, the other big one, going to.
Yes, am going to, is going to, are going to. We use this for plans, things you decided before. Jack, tell me a plan for tomorrow that you decided a week ago.
I am going to call my friend Tom for his birthday. I knew about his birthday last week, so it's a plan.
Exactly. Sometimes will and going to are almost the same, but going to often feels more like a plan in your diary. Will can be a little more spontaneous.
Let's try another one. The word probably. I love this word. It means maybe, but a strong maybe, more than 50% sure.
It's a safe word. Probably. Say it. Prob-ub-ly. I will probably work at my computer. I'm not 100% sure, but I think it's true.
Can you give another example from our tomorrow?
Sure. You said, after the call, I will probably feel tired. You don't know for sure, but it's very likely.
And then there's its cousin, might. I might watch a movie. This is different from probably.
Yes, might is weaker. It means maybe, it's possible, but it's less than 50% sure. It's just an idea. If I say I might go to the cinema tomorrow, it's just a thought. I haven't decided.
So probably is like 70% sure. Might is like 30% sure. Does that help?
I think so. Now, what about time? We used so many time phrases.
Let's list them. For the big parts of the day, tomorrow morning, in the afternoon, tomorrow evening, at night.
Remember the preposition rules? We say in the morning, but at night. And for specific times, always at 7 o'clock, at 3:30.
And then sequence words. These are like glue for your sentences. First, then, after that, next, finally.
Those are so important. They help you tell a story about your day. First, I will wake up. Then, I will drink coffee. After that, I'm going to go to work.
We also talked about things that can go wrong. What was the phrase for that? Plan B?
Yes, we used if to talk about possibilities. If the bus is late, I will call you. The structure is important. If plus present simple, then will. If it rains, I will take an umbrella.
And one more super useful phrase, what about? I use this to ask you questions. What about your tomorrow? It means, tell me about this, or, and you?
It's a great way to keep a conversation going. Okay, let's test this. Jack, give me a sentence about tomorrow using going to.
I am going to drive to the gym.
Good. Now a sentence with will for a quick decision.
My phone is ringing. I will answer it.
Perfect. Now use probably.
I will probably eat eggs for breakfast.
And might?
I might go to the park after work, but I probably won't. I'll be tired.
You see, you used them all. This is the key. Mix these words together to make your future talk natural. Don't just use will for everything. Try going to for your plans. Try probably when you're almost sure.
And practice the time words. They are your map for the day. Without them, everything is confusing.
So to review our mini vocabulary list, will for future facts or quick decisions, going to for plans and intentions, probably for when you're more than 50% sure, might for when something is just a possibility, time phrases in the morning, at night, at 3 o'clock, sequence words, first, then, after that, finally, if for plan B, if something happens, I will do this.
Whew, that's a lot. But you heard us use them naturally in our long talk. Listen to that part again if you want. Hearing words in a real conversation is the best way to learn.
Absolutely. Now, let's go back and finish planning our tomorrow with these tools in our toolbox. Wow, Jack, we really talked about every single part of tomorrow, didn't we?
We did. From the moment our alarms ring to the moment we turn off the lights. I feel like I've already lived your Tuesday, Emma.
And I've lived yours. But that's the point. When we break it down like that, it's not so hard to talk about the future in English.
Exactly. So let's remember what we practiced. The two biggest stars of today are will and going to. We use them again and again.
Right. I will wake up. I am going to make coffee. They are your best tools. But we also learned some other helpful words.
Like might. I might order pizza. This is so useful when you are not sure. It's not a strong plan, it's a possibility.
And we talked about time words. Tomorrow morning, in the afternoon, at 7 o'clock, after work, before bed. These phrases help you connect your ideas.
Don't forget about Plan B. We practiced what to say if your first plan changes. If the bus is late, I will call you. If the cafe is closed, we might go to the sandwich shop.
That's real conversation. It's not just one perfect plan. We need to be ready to talk about changes, too.
So, our big question for you is still, what are you going to do tomorrow?
But now, we want you to try to make it longer, like we did. Don't just say one thing.
Yes, try to say 3 things. One for the morning, one for the afternoon, and one for the evening. For example, tomorrow morning, I am going to study English. In the afternoon, I will go to the supermarket. Tomorrow evening, I might watch a movie.
That's a perfect answer. You can write something like that in the comments. We promise to read them all. It makes us so happy to see you practice.
And a little tip from me, try saying your plan out loud, even if you're alone. Say it to your pet or to your mirror. Speaking the words helps your mouth and your brain remember.
That's great advice. Another tip, if you don't know a word, use a simple word you know. The goal is communication. We want to understand your wonderful plans.
So that's all for today's lesson on talking about your tomorrow. We hope you feel more confident.
Before we go, a quick hint about our next video. We're going to talk about the past, how to talk about what you did yesterday.
So tomorrow you can practice the future, and then after that, you can practice the past with us. It's a perfect cycle.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. You are doing an amazing job.
Remember, every little bit of practice helps. Have a wonderful day today and a fantastic tomorrow.
Bye for now.
Goodbye.